Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to this video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to create a GitHub account. For that guys, go to google.com, enter GitHub, click on it. So this is the GitHub page. GitHub Let's Build from here. Click on that. So you'll get the entire interface of the github.com. So here you'll get GitHub Universe, etc. You can either sign up from here or you can sign up from here. Okay. You click on sign up for GitHub. So now you can enter the username, password, test email, etc. Everything in this page. Okay. So now here you can enter your username. Okay. Here you can enter your email account. So here I would have entered the email. Click on continue. Here you can give the password. The password can be anything like strong characters. You can give no. This password will be alright. Okay. So after creating a password, just click on continue. So enter the username. You can enter anything. So yeah, this is my username. Okay. Let me click on continue. So once you click, it will ask you, would you like to receive product updates, announcements via email? Yeah, if you want, you can give yes. Click on Y. It will ask you to protect your account. You have to verify few things. You have to now solve the puzzle. Click on create account. It will send the email to your Gmail account. You can add that. So I've added the code here. That's it. So who will be working with you? Just me for now. For a teacher or a student, I'll just write a teacher. I'll just click on continue. So what are the collaborating features? If you can add anything if you want, or you can skip personalization. That's it. So this will be the recommended plan which you'll get. So it is starting to initialize your dashboard. So yeah, this is my dashboard. Okay, Professor Azhar Jamal. So any of the repository you can add. Okay, that is my proper account. And if you want to give your things, you just have to go to your profile, and in the profile you can access this one. Okay, you can give this account to github.com Professor Jamal. Then you can access the repositories. Okay, hope you have liked the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.